Good morning, children. How are you? Today we are going to write the notes of EVS of lesson number 5 of workbook, that is page number 27. So all of you open your page number 27. Let's get started. Okay, fine. The very first question here, right now first listen, and then when I say pause the video, write it down, then you have to pause the video and write it down. So let's start. First listen now. What if first aid is given to a person stung by a bee? Now, what first stung by a bee? The answer is remove the sting by sliding or scraping your fingernail across it, then wash the area and apply ice to reduce the swelling. As we all know, when the honeybee, it bite us means it stung us. Fine. So what happened? Our hands, wherever it bites, the region gets swollen. Why does it get swollen? Because it leaves a small thorn. It insert into our skin. So we should remove that sting first by scraping with our nails. And then when the sting gets removed, we should apply the ice cube to reduce the swelling. This is the first thing we should do before going to a doctor. Come to next question. Name the 4 insects that live in group. Okay, any insects you can write which are living in the group. So the very first is ant, butterfly, termite, bees. Now our next question is, what are the different uses of honey? Okay, the very first I have written, honey is used in making medicines, as you all know. Honey is used to heal burn and prevent infection. Whenever we have a burn, if we apply honey, then it prevents that burns from getting infected. Next, honey is used for treating cough. When we have a cough, we take honey. Then honey is used for cooking purpose also. And in cooking also we used this honey. Okay, now next question. Why does different type of honey vary in taste and color? This question means there are different kinds of honey. They are having different color and they are having different taste. Now why does this happen? So let's read the answer first. Different taste and color is due to the difference in the property of nectar source. Some have much lower water content and vary in chemical composition. Okay, now listen over here. First we get to know the meaning. Okay, now all the flowers, children first tell me, all the flowers are same. Does all the flower have same smell, same color? No, the flowers are different. They have a different color and they have different smell also. Similarly, the honeybees, on whichever flower it sits, they take the nectar of that flower. Different flowers, as different flowers have different smell, the property of the nectar which it is collecting is also different. That's why some have water content, some have less water content. Fine. And like this, they taste different and vary in chemical composition. Chemical composition means some have different nutrients and another is having different. Because of the different flowers, they have different nutrients plus they have the water content. So that's why it is written lower water content and vary in chemical composition. So I hope you got this answer. Next question, that is page number 28. Here it is written, should we have a uniform in school? Yes, we should have uniform in school. It gives a sense of equality. Sense of equality means if we wear the same uniform, we are same human being. As we are same human being, we are wearing same uniform. It gives a kind of a feeling, yeah, we are all equal in the school. There is no high, there is no low class. All the children are equal. It teaches the students to dress smartly and take pride in their appearance. As the children get to know that uniform is same, so they take a pride. They have a kind of a feeling that there is no inequality in the school will be prevailing, as all are wearing the same uniform. So they take a pride in their appearance. Okay, now next question is, why does the government train people for apiculture? Now here the government train people for apiculture to change the life of people by increasing the yield and income. Now if the people will get to know the apiculture, get to know about apiculture, if they will learn apiculture, then they can increase their production of honey. Yes, because in apiculture it is not like this only, how to rear honeybees and So if they rear honeybees, if there are more honeybees, this will increase their yield. So yield means you all got to know. And if they will increase more honey, what happens? They can give this honey to the government, and in return they get the money. So the government want to increase just two things, that is the yield and income. That's why it train people for apiculture. Now write it down neat and clean in the workbook. Once we finish this, and then we will start with the notebook part. Okay, now in the page, students, here open page number 27. In the page number 27, above 4 pictures are there. Fine. C, D, E, F. So now write it down. C is moth, D is dragonfly, E is honeybee as you are seeing in this picture, and F is locust.